वेलकम माय डियर स्टूडेंट। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन। A car start from rest. It means initial velocity equal to 0 and accelerate with 2 meter per second square. Acceleration A equal to 2 meter per second square. What is velocity of the car after 5 seconds? The time is 5 seconds. Now use first equation V equal to U plus AT. U 0, A 2 time 5, and if we multiply 10 meter per second. So the correct option is first. Now second, a person start from rest, initial velocity 0, accelerate with speed A equal to 2 meter per second square, distance covered by the person in 5 seconds, T equal to 5 seconds. Now use second equation, S equal to ut plus half at square. U 0 plus half A 2 and T 5 square. 2 cancel out. 5 square is 25 meter. So the correct option is B. Now question number third. The velocity of train increases uniformly from 20 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 4 hours. Initial velocity 20 km per hour. The final velocity 60 km per hour and the time is 4 hours. Calculate distance covered by the train during this time interval. So to find the distance, first of all, we find the value of acceleration by using first equation of motion. V 60, 20 plus A find out करना है, time is 4 hours. अब 60 minus 20 equal to 4A. This implies 4A equal to 40 and A equal to 40 upon 4, that is equal to 10 meter per second square. Now we use second equation, S equal to ut plus half at square, u 20 time 4r plus half a 10 into time is 4 square. Cancel 5. 24 ja 80 plus 4 4 ja 16 5 ja 80. 160 kilometer is the correct option. So A is the correct option. Now question number 4. What will be the ratio of distance moved by freely falling body from the rest? Means initial velocity 0 in first and second. Distance, now we use the formula distance in n as second. U plus half A 2t minus 1. Now distance in 1 second. In place of U we put 0 plus half into G into 2 into 1 minus 1. And this 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is G by 2 first equation. Now distance in second S2 0 plus half G into 2 into 2 minus 1 and 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 1 3. So 3 upon 2 G. S2 equal to 3 by 2 G. और G by 2 किसके इक्वल है S1. तो from first and second S2 equal to 3 into half G and in place of half G we put S1. So answer is 3S1 is the correct option. So S2 equal to 3S1. Now question number 5. A particle move a distance x according to x equal to t plus 3 power minus 1. The acceleration is proportional to. Now the velocity v equal to dx upon में dt. अब इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है. पावर हमने लिखी बाहर और t plus 3 power minus 2. Now to find the value of acceleration, a equal to dv upon में dt. Again we differentiate. ये -1 तो ऑलरेडी है. पावर -2 बाहर लिखेंगे और t+3 और 1 पावर भी ले, तो -2 into -1 is 2 and this is t+3 power -1. This is a t+3 power -1 and this we can add whole cube. ये -3. अब t plus 3 minus 1 that is equal to x. So x power 3. So acceleration equal to 2x power 3 means acceleration directly proportional to x cube. So second is the correct option. Now question number 6. A player throws a ball upward with speed 29 meter per second. The initial speed is 29.4 meter per second. What are velocities and acceleration of the ball at the highest point? At the highest point, v equal to 0 and acceleration equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Means acceleration equal to gravity acceleration. So first is the correct option. Now question number 7. A body start from rest 40 seconds with uniform acceleration 2 meter per second square. So initial velocity 0, acceleration 2 meter per second square. If the displacement made by it is 16 meter, now we use s equal to ut plus half at square. S 16, u 0 plus half 8. So t square equal to 16, therefore t equal to 4 seconds. Square root of 16 is 4 seconds, so correct option is first. Now question number 9. A stone is thrown upward with an initial velocity 14 meter per second. U equal to 14 meter per second. Find maximum height reached and the time of ascent. H or time. Now for the height, we use third equation. V square equal to U square plus 2AS. V 0, U 14 and in upward direction acceleration equal to minus 9.8 meter per second square. So plus 2 into minus 9.8 और s को लेना है हमें h, तो into h. अब ये टर्म इधर आ गई 2 into 9.8 h equal to 14 into 14. h equal to 14 into 14 upon 2 into 9.8. इसको कट करें 7, 7 से कट करें 1.4 और 1.4 डेसिमल शिफ्ट करके 10 ऊपर करें और 14 ये कैंसिल, तो हाइट आ गई 10 मीटर. Now to find the time, use first equation. V equal to u plus at, v 0, u 14, a minus 9.8 into t. Therefore 9.8 t equal to 14, t equal to 14 upon 9.8. डेसिमल हटा करके 0 पर करोगे 4 ये 7 जा 14 7 जा 98 एंड टाइम आ गया 10 upon 7 सेकेंड. 10 upon 7 सेकेंड मीन्स 7 बन जा 7 और ये 3 7 4 जा 28 और लगभग 1.43 सेकेंड इज द टाइम. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10th. A body is allowed to fall from the top of a tower 200 meter high. ये टावर है और 200 meter. A ball is allowed to fall freely, u equal to 0. At the same time, a ball is thrown vertically upward with speed 40 meter per second. When and where do the balls meet? Suppose these two balls meet at a distance or at a height h from the ground. So from the top, the height will be 200 minus h. Now there are two equations, one for upward motion and one for downward. So for downward, now we use second equation. In place of h, we put 200 minus h, u0 plus half ag into time t square. For upward motion, h equal to 40 t plus half a is negative minus g into t square. Now on adding, half gt square cancel, h cancel. So 200 equal to 40 t. This implies t equal to 200 upon 40 means 5 seconds. The body will take only 5 seconds. Now where do the meets? अब ये टाइम की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे हम इन सेकेंड इक्वेशन. देन h इक्वल टू 40 into 5 minus half. Now we take g equal to 10 और time equal to 5 square. तो 2 5 जा 10. ये आ गया 200 minus 5 5 जा 25, 25 5 जा 125. And 200 minus 20, 125 is 75 meter. So the both the walls will meet at a height of 75 meter from the ground and in a time interval of 5 seconds. That is the correct option. Now we use two equations, one for downward motion and another for upward motion. And on adding we get the answer.